Om Namah Shivaya children. Good morning to all. Today's topic, meridian of longitudes. Here you can see the vertical lines. Many lines are seen and these vertical lines are called as longitudes or meridian of longitude. So the imaginary lines joining the North Pole and South Pole with reference to prime meridian are called meridians of longitudes. All the semicircles which join North Pole to South Pole are termed as meridians of longitudes. All meridians are of equal length. All meridians are of equal length. The longitude running through the Greenwich near London is chosen as the prime meridian. All meridians are of equal length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all the countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. The meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0 degree longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastward and 180 degree westward. The prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Therefore, the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for the east and W for the west. There are 360 meridians in all. 180 degree in the east and 180 degree in the west of prime meridian. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line, or it is the same longitude. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude. Meridians are semicircles. Longitude help us to calculate time. Time is measured by the movement of the earth. The earth moves on its axis from west to east. It is called rotation. It takes 24 hours for the earth to complete one rotation. This means in 24 hours the earth completes 360 degree. This means in 24 hours the earth completes 360 degree. Hence it takes about 4 minutes for crossing 1 degree of longitude. According, the earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. The line 180 degree and 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the one longitude, and it is called the international date line.